Hi Valhalla Dragon Boat team, it's me Beauty Gonzales. Good luck to all your tournaments and enjoy! Always have fun. I hope to see you guys soon. And maybe someday sasali ako. Woo! Enjoy!
There's a lot of questions that I have about the past, and I don't want to hear it from a human. You made it, so you're the last person that I'm ever gonna ask. Tell me what's real, tell me what's fake. Why is everything about you a debate? What's the point of love? Every time I showed it I was broken, and it's supposed to be just the only one I hate. Why is there only one you but multiple religions? Why does every conversation end in a division? Why does everybody want to tell us how to live, but they won't listen to the same damn message that they give it? Tell me how to feel, tell me what's wrong. I tried to call, pick up the phone, I'm on my own. Everybody says you coming back to man, why the hell's it taking so long? Why do I hurt? Why is there pain? Why does everything good always have to...
Okay, everybody stand by!
Saka yung transition, recovery. Okay, stand by. Are you ready? Attention! Go!
Let's go! Long? Let's go! Let's go! Hinga! Hinga! Boys, stand up! Dagdag yan! Dagdag! Inhale! Exhale! Ha!
Oh no! Watch out!